All right, so here we go. This is Chibbi. Chibbi, Chibbi, Chibbi. You're so cute. Meow, meow. She's like, put me down, Daddy. She wants to jump up on the blinds. And I'm making you some shelves right now, aren't we, baby? Yeah, we're making shelves. Good girl. Good girl. All right, I'll put you down. Let's go. Hey, everyone. This is me, Chris. I am showing what it looks like before I put up the shelves on my walls. Basically, as you can see behind me, that's the entrance to the apartment. And I got the TV, the posters, there's the cat tower, and then that bare wall over there with no shelves. I am going to put up some shelves on the walls for the cats to play on. There's the hall. There's the kitchen area. Everything's a little messy. I'm just moving in, so I'm just still getting stuff set up. But this is the before video. I am so excited. I got 10 cat shelves here. I have small one, corner one, a white one, two other white ones, medium, large, two small, or four small. Here we go. I got to clean them off because what happened is I've had them on the walls at my previous apartment and we moved. So I took the cat shelves with me. They are right here. I'm going to clean them up and put them back on. Here we go. I just need to find my tripod. Hey, kitty. Good girl. This is Chibbi. Hi, Chibbi. Good girl. We're going to put up some shelves, aren't we? Okay. So, this is what I'm thinking. We're going to put a one of these white ones right here. Another white one right here. One of these other small white ones down about right here, so they can run up, jump over, jump down, jump up, and then I got a corner one to go in the corner. This corner one, it's gonna go right there. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna use this magnet and these other little magnets. I just dropped half of them on the floor to find the, I'm gonna use these to find the studs in the walls. Yes. Okay, I got all the old hot glue scraped off. Each one of them had probably, anyway, a glue on it. So I scraped it off and now I need to prep the walls by finding where the studs are at. And I will do that using my handy dandy magnet and stud finder. Stud finder, I like the magnet. I like the magnet more than I do the stud finder. But sometimes the stud finder works. Okay, so I got a stud there with those two magnets, and those two magnets, each set are on a stud. So I'm gonna have a shelf right there, shelf right there, shelf right there, and then shelf in the corner. All right, I just finished putting up the corner shelf here. I can back up, get a better look at it. I put the 2 little blocks on the wall, made sure that they were in the right spot, make sure that they're tight, and then that thing just slips onto the 2 blocks, attached with these 2 little Phillips screws. They're short, coarse, big head screws. And now we're going to put up the white ones in the middle. And voila, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves put up. And now let's see if the kitties will like the shelves. Let's go wake them up. Come here, baby. Come on, let's see if we can go up on the new... Do you want to see what I made you? Come on. Come on, baby. This way. Here she comes. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, baby. Look at. Let's see if we can get him to come up this way. Look at baby. Come up here, baby. Hi, Nibby. You want to go up on the new shelves? They're usually a lot quicker to utilize the new shelves, but it's only a matter of time. They will be up there, up here. Chibbi! Kitty, 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 kitty. Come up here, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. There you go. There you go, baby. Good girl. Yeah, there you go. You did it. Good girl. Oh, she's up on the shelf. She got the treat. Now she likes to eat her treats on the ground. She's going back down. Bye-bye. It's a mess. Are you guys ready for a treat? Come on, baby. You gotta climb up on the shelves. Let's see. Let's show the people how we can climb on the shelves. Remember this shelf? Oh my gosh, I love it up here. Yeah, there you go, baby. There's a treat up here. Good girl, Chibbi. There you go, baby. Yep, I think she likes it. I put some fabric on it. Oh, there's your 2 right there, baby. She went from the tree to the second shelf. Choo, like a jumper. She's a jumper. Here's Nibby. Here you go, Nibby. Do you want your treats up here? Oh, yeah. They love to show off. There you go, baby. See, the cats love it. Yay, the cats love it. Nibby eats her treats on the ground. Chibbi will eat them right there on the shelf. Anyway, they can go over to this one, too. Come here, baby. Good girl. Yeah. I hot glued some fabric up there so they can claw it. And I hot glued some fabric underneath and wrapped it like a present so it's all soft, and oh, they love it, don't you, baby? Good girl, yeah, good girl. You're so cute. Say bye to the camera. Say bye, YouTube. Love you. Hey, please like and subscribe. Good girl.